Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix a Facebook login error in FIFA Mobile. To know how to fix Facebook login error in FIFA Mobile, you should just go to settings like this. You will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings here. After that, in this page you will go to click to find the application of Facebook, and you will enter. Then in this page you will click force stop. When you will see this list, you will click storage. After that, in this page you will click clear cache, and then you will go to click clear data, and after all that you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.